Hi everyone, and welcome to our video tutorial for Lab 1. My name is Mohammed Azzouz, and I will be going through step-by-step instructions with you for each of the various parts of the lab. Now, the goal is for this recording to mimic as close as possible a physical in-lab session. So typically, a physical in-lab session has three parts: the introduction, the in-lab, and the wrap-up. So I'm going to try to do the exact same thing, with the hope being that you can have nearly the same lab experience as you would have if the labs were in person. Now, there will be slides to go with this recording. I would encourage you to look through them. It will basically contain the same material as in the video, but just laid out in a presentation format, so it will be good to use as a reference. Finally, I'm going to split the introduction into a few shorter videos as opposed to one longer video for two reasons. First of all, it will make it easier for you to go look back at something if you ever need to. And second of all, it will make things easier for me if I ever have to go edit a certain part of the video. So on that note, I'll see you in the next video.